4-tier foam dog steps. This is how it arrived, just like this. Came in a box, just like this, so really anxious to see how this all unfolds. Well, what's gonna happen is it all gonna spring out like boing. Oh, it is. That's what happened. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's how it came. A little outside my dog, Rigatoni. He's getting a little bit older. He's 10 years old. He runs and jumps up on the bed all the time, and he jumps on the couch, and he sits on a top of a love seat. That's his main spot when he's checking things out in the front of the house. So I wanted to get him something to help him, help him get up there a little bit easier. I'm worried he's a kind of a longer dog, so I'm worried about his back a little bit. This was given to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions on my own. So it looks like there's a couple of zippers here. So you can make this actually a 2-tier thing if you wanted to. That's pretty cool. And on the bottom here, it's kind of a textured material, non-slip type of material. That's kind of a cool thing. Kind of a honeycomb pattern on here, if you can see it. I guess it's on the side too. That's kind of cool for the non-slip feature. I think shaping up nice after just a few minutes of having it out. There we go. Hi. I'd like to point out that I'm not a professional tailor. From the right side, let's get some measurements on here. From the bottom to the top stair, we have about 18 inches. Looks like about 14 inches, 9 inches, and maybe 4.5, 5 inches right there. So 4.5 inch step, 9, almost 14, and almost 18 inches. So that's pretty cool. That ought to be able to get him up onto the bed, easy, onto a love seat or a couch. According to the literature, they recommend that the pet be under 60 pounds. It appears to be pretty easy to clean. I could just vacuum this off with a dust buster if I wanted to. Non-slip cover on here. Great for older dogs, young puppies, dogs going through an injury that need help getting up there, cats of course. Anyway, pretty cool. Seems to be pretty sturdy. I like the fact that it springs back in. The Zeoly 4-tier foam dog stairs. Check it out.